If you're anything like me, you are always looking for a quick and easy, healthy weeknight dinner. Not McDonald's, not a frozen dinner, not a frozen pizza, but something that's good for you, something that's good for your family. Today, we're cooking salmon. So this is about a 6-ounce fillet of salmon. Still has the skin on. Don't be scared of it. This is deboned. You may find some small bones in yours. These are just little small pieces of cartilage. And you can just take a pair of pliers or a pair of tweezers, pull those out, but this has already been deboned. So we're good to go with this. This is about a 6-ounce fillet. A 4-ounce fillet is going to have about 160 calories in it. Only 6 grams of fat, but 24 grams of protein. I like to pair this with asparagus or green beans for a great, healthy weeknight dinner. So let's get started. For our spices, really simple. We've got a half a tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/8 of a teaspoon of paprika, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. We're also going to go with some salt and pepper. Once we've done that, just going to press it in really good so the seasoning and the brown sugar, especially the brown sugar, clings nicely to the fish. Really, really simple recipe. Only takes a few minutes, and you've got a great dinner on the table. And then let's just give it a bit of a spritz with some cooking spray. And we're ready to go in the air fryer. Now, if you don't have an air fryer, I'm using the Corsari air fryer. This is my second or third one of these. I love this brand. I've tried a few others, mixed reviews on the others, but all of these have been really good. So I'll leave the link down in the description if you're interested in this one, or you can find them at any store these days. So let's take it out. We're going to drop the salmon down into the basket, back in the air fryer. We're going to go 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Okay guys, 10 minutes has passed and our salmon is ready. Let's take a look. I mean, seriously, look at this. Looks amazing. So we're gonna take it out and plate it. I just got a little salad that I fixed here to go with mine. We'll plate it right there. And I mean, seriously, just look at this. Look how amazing this looks. And in 10 minutes, you've got an amazingly healthy dinner ready to eat. I can't wait to taste this. So let's give it a try. Look at this. Flakes apart, perfectly cooked. The brown sugar, you can taste that. The chili powder, all the flavors go so well together. And this is amazing. And look at this, perfectly done. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this, and I hope you guys will try this quick, healthy weeknight dinner. Salmon in the air fryer in 10 minutes. Thanks for joining. Be sure to subscribe and like if you like this kind of content. I will be showing more ways to cook good, healthy meals at home in just a matter of minutes.